Ice is 100% water, and you can help make yours clean, clear, and great tasting. It's possible with 3M water filtration for ice machines. You can reduce chlorine, filter sediment, reduce cyst and scale, and also reduce the ability of calcium and magnesium to form as hard scale on evaporator plates, which helps to reduce downtime. When it's time to replace the filter, our Sanitary quick change makes it easy while reducing contamination risk. Experience less downtime and fewer service calls thanks to our built-in scale inhibitor. 3M water filtration systems for ice machines operate at up to 125 psi and are available with micron rating options from 0.2 to 1.0 and capacity options from 9,000 gallons at 1.5 gallons per minute to 70,000 gallons at 6.68 gallons per minute. Get great tasting ice, clean and clear, by visiting 3m.com/ice.